We have added a new category this year, enterprises in the renewable energy space, with the idea to encourage the renewable energy players who strive hard to bring a tectonic shift in India's renewable energy market with groundbreaking innovations and initiatives. 10th Earthcare Awards recognize Punjab Renewable Energy Systems Private Limited, PRESPL, under the enterprise in renewable energy space for building and operating 100% raw biomass-fired boiler in India. Can we please have the AV?
Stubble or parali burning is a very severe issue that North India grapples with every year. Punjab Renewable Energy Systems Private Limited has come up with the solution to curb the air pollution by aggregating and converting paddy straw and other crop residues into green fuel.
This project, being the first of its kind in India, using a multitude of biomass fuel in any form.
PRESPL has successfully commissioned 100% raw biomass-fired boiler in India for steam generation and sale of energy on a steam purchase agreement.
We are able to offset a large quantity of fossil fuel for the client, and on the other we are able to offset large quantities of agri-waste which is available in the fields of Punjab.
The project has been operational for more than 2 years and has been able to offset nearly 35,000 tons of carbon dioxide in the last 2 years. Moreover, ash produced from the boiler is a compostable component and used by horticulturists for compost or landfills.
The success of this project will herald a new beginning, and the new companies will now start looking at biomass fuel as a very serious alternative to fossil fuels.
I would now like to request retired Lieutenant Colonel Monish Ahuja, Chairman and Managing Director, and team to kindly come up on stage, accept the award and say a few words. Would you like to say a few words?
Good evening. The thought process of using what's getting burnt in the fields for energy, replacing fossil fuel, 50% cheaper. Mr. Kayur Mehta here from Sun Pharma took 16 months to give me this contract because they didn't believe it could happen. Nobody believed. So what it is about is a concept, patience, perseverance, and the will to do it. And we in PRESPL, it's a Maharashtra registered company, but the name is Punjab because our first project was in Punjab. Today we operate out of 16 states in India. We employ 400 full-time employees. More than 1,000 farmers work along with us to support what we do. And we take the farm agri residue from the fields, convert it to various forms of biofuels, and deliver it to clients. Commercially cheaper to 30 to 40% on the fossil fuel price. So there's no way that it's not going to increase. And uniquely, today we don't go to find capital, capital comes to find us. So that's the change which needs to drive. And thanks to the AFBC Awards, thanks to JSW, Times Group, Dr. Mashelkar and the Jewelry, for recognizing people like us. We are a group of 7 retired defense personnel who have promoted this company. We run this company. So we fit the old adage of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan to the T and deliver it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.